tonight. Stunning. The wedding dress was stunning. Lovely. We had lovely picnic in the park.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Appealing, attractive, gorgeous, stunning, lovely, and pretty. Shaurya, Hardik, and Khushi. These words, Purva, these words are basically used to compliment anyone. You're looking gorgeous today. You look gorgeous in this wedding dress. Yeah, you look gorgeous in this dress. You're looking so attractive. So I'm complimenting, na, to any male, female, my friend, whosoever. So uh, n- anything else can't be gorgeous. For a person, we use this. So for complimenting, Mama, you're looking stunning today, isn't it? This model is stunning. She looks stunning. Okay, coming back to exquisite. Exquisite word is also synonym for beautiful, but it is used for anything that is any place, any object which is extremely beautiful, out of the world. That is some unique one. The exquisite beauty of Taj Mahal, the architecture of Taj Mahal is exquisite because it is something different from others, extremely beautiful. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and it is exquisite. Actually, its pronunciation is little tricky. All of you speak one by one. Let me hear from you.
Excuse it.
Exquisite. Exquisite.
Excuse it. Excuse it. Excuse it.
Hardik and Shaurya, Khushi.
Exquisite.
Exquisite is wrong. Exquisite. Exquisite. Exquisite.
Exquisite.
Exquisite. Right. Yes. Dharvi, continue. Shaurya, you can ask wherever you feel a problem, huh? Okay. Yeah.
Magnificent, extremely impressive use for people and nature. The beauty of mountain is magnificent. Splendid. I picked up splendid bouquet for apartment.
Resplendent.
Resplendent. She looks
Dekho, let's divide it into three parts. Let's divide it into three parts. Res, R-E-S, all of you say res.
Resplendent. Resplendent.
Yeah.
resplendent.
Resplendent. Resplan and dent.
Resplendent.
Dent. Yes. Resplendent.
Resplendent.
Yeah. Anything which is attractive and impressive is called resplendent. Okay? Okay, continue.
Yes. Captivating. Her smile is captivating. Bewitching. Her smile is bewitching. Glamorous. She is very glamorous. Graceful. She speaks gracefully. Angelic. She has angelic face. Mesmerized.
Mesmeric.
Mesmeric. Her face is mesmeric. Marvelous. She had marvelous job.
She did.
Sorry. Magnetic. Her eyes are magnetic. Winsome.
Magnetic.
She has
ये जो होता है ना magnetic. Magnetic. Her eyes are really magnetic. Magnetic.
What is the meaning of magnetic?
Magnetic eyes are.
Magnet means magnet.
What does magnet do? Can anyone tell me what does magnet do?
Magnet attract. Attract an iron
It attracts iron.
Magnet
It attracts
attracts.
objects
Magnet
like
attracts.
iron,
Yeah, correct.
cobalt, and nickel.
Huh? Yeah. So as magnet attracts other metals towards, especially iron, so magnetic eyes also attract anyone. So your eyes are magnetic. That I'm going to get attracted towards you
Okay.
if anyone has a magnetic eye. Got it, everyone? So that means beautiful eye.
Yes.
Rather than
Okay.
using you have beautiful eye, you can say your eyes are magnetic.
Ma'am, what is the
What?
means of bewitching?
Bewitching is
What is the means of bewitching?
yeah, bewitching is also very beautiful for your smile, your face,
And what
your
is the
body
means of
language.
winsome?
Huh?
What is the means of winsome?
Winsome is also same. Winsome is also same. Like dil jeet lene wala. As beautiful like dil jeetna. Matlab very attractive. Okay, so whatever words, there are so many words out here, but try and make some sentences from the words you are comfortable with. There are so many synonyms, but maybe some synonyms skipped from your mind. Doesn't matter, but try doing that. Same thing we'll do today also. There are some more left. Dazzling, marvelous, elegant, good looking, gorgeous,
Ma'am,
handsome, and grateful. Yeah.
ma'am, for what we use marvelous and elegant?
Just a moment. Yeah, please repeat. Yes, Kushi, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I was saying that can you tell me that for what marvelous and elegant use?
Any job, you did marvelous
I,
job. Suppose you won a game. Yeah, you achieved something. You did it. You marvelously did it. You are marvelous. But it's another way to compliment others. That's looking marvelous. Anything with that is looking marvelous, that's very beautiful. You did beautiful work, beautiful job. So you can use these words according to yours feasible. Okay, so do you want to play game with this? Can you make some sentences,
Yes, ma'am.
or you
yeah.
want to practice today at home, then tomorrow, yeah, Monday you want to do this? Yeah, today let's try. Let's give it a try. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
let me make it for you.
Ma'am, we are playing
You
that.
know, same topic I did in my junior batch also, and very nicely they made sentences and very easily. But I haven't used all of these words, like main words I used. You can watch. I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. I have uploaded for them. They are very.
Ma'am, Riddhi has rejoined.
Yeah, Riddhi has rejoined. You can see in the.
Ma'am, that my there is my aunt. Her name is Madhu auntie. So her mother is friend of Gitanjali ma'am. So we have met on her home, and I said to join.
You said to join. Mother, you spoke to her mother.
Yes, ma'am, and her also keep. Please join. We enjoy very much in class.
She also misses. She was saying that I was missing the classes. Riddhi is very smart girl, very active and very smart. So how many of you are there? Okay. So first Dharvi. Yes, come on, give me your sentences.
Your words, Ma'am Dharvi,
Okay.
your words are magnetic.
Correct.
You look ravishing today.
Please tell me your name before telling, because I get confused between you both.
Ma'am, can I make?
Wow,
Purva.
you look ravishing today.
Okay. Yes.
You have Ria. You have a mesmeric smile. Mesmeric smile.
Okay, correct. Very good. Yes, come on,
Ma'am,
Khushi,
can I
Hardik,
make?
Shaurya. Come on, all of you.
Ma'am, can I make?
Huh?
Ma'am, can I make?
You have a graceful smile.
Okay, correct. Hardik Harsh.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I make?
Let Hardik speak first, then you, huh? Hardik?
My mother has a gorgeous smile.
Okay. Yes, Khushi.
I have gone to Sonagate. That was a very beautiful place. When we are going on the top mountain, there,
Hilltop. You
there
can also
start
use,
raining.
Khushi, you can also say hilltop. When we went to hilltop,
Hilltop. When we went to Hilltop, it started raining. After rain, there was a very amazing rainbow, and it has many colors. And it was looking very beautiful. And on the side, many peacocks were sitting on the tree.
but Khushi,
I
Khushi, you said so many sentences, but only beautiful word you used. You can use so many words in this, which you are telling.
am using. There were on tree. Many peacocks were sitting, and the feathers of
I will give more points to those who use synonyms for beautiful. You used one synonym, so I gave you 10. So try to speak more and more. Yes.
the feather of peacocks were looking stunning, and by seeing the beautiful scene, I got shocked. And the beauty of that time of the nature was very attractive and stunning.
Okay, 3 words you use, so I gave you 30. Yes, all of you, come on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Shaurya,
I
can I
want to
tell?
say,
Okay, just a moment, Shaurya. Yes, Shaurya?
Ma'am, you have a marvelous smile
Okay.
and a marvelous
Try to use
eyes.
something else. You won't get points otherwise. Try to use some other
Okay,
word.
Ria.
Huh?
You have. You
Ma'am,
have.
I want to say
You are
one
looking
word.
bewitching and glamorous in this dress.
Okay. So Ria gets 20 for this. Yes, Dharvi, coming back to you.
Ma'am, Purva.
Purva. Okay, Purva.
That dress looks charming and gorgeous.
Ma'am, can I say?
Mom, can I say?
Yes, Hardik.
My father smartness looks beautiful
My,
and magnificent.
please repeat, Hardik.
My father's smartness is beautiful and magnificent.
My father's what?
Smartness is
Martinez?
beautiful and magnificent.
Ma'am, he sings smartness. Smartness.
My father is magnificently smart.
Ma'am,
Something
can I
like
tell?
that he wants to
Ma'am,
use.
Shaurya,
Ma'am,
can
can
I
I
tell?
say?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
tell?
Shaurya, can I say?
Okay, Khushi,
Ma'am.
first you say.
Ma'am, Dharvi.
Okay, Dharvi, say.
Ma'am,
Khushi, I'm coming back to you.
We went to Taj Mahal. We went to Taj Mahal, and that was looking exquisite that day.
Exquisite,
It
exquisite, 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 qui. Exquisite. Dharvi, repeat.
exquisite that we went to Taj Mahal. That looked exquisite. that day, and that magnificent place changed its color charmingly.
Ma'am, can
Riya.
I say
Ma'am, can
Shaurya?
I
Ma'am,
tell
Shaurya, can I
Khushi?
say?
Ma'am Dharvi, I had
Ma'am,
used
Shaurya.
3 words.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
Shaurya, can I
But
say?
Riya.
but the words were not appropriate nahi the.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
can I
say?
say?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Khushi.
Shaurya.
Yeah.
Yes.
When we are going to a wedding, when I was going to a wedding, my bua, maternal, my paternal aunt has wear a very stunning and attractive dress. It was looking very beautiful. She also do her makeup herself, and the color of her eyeshadow was looking amazing and marvelous. And she made my hairstyle. The hairstyle was looking very attractive and magnificent.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say Shaurya?
Yes.
Can I
Shaurya.
say now?
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, after
Riya.
Shaurya. After Shaurya. Yes.
Ma'am, Shaurya. I saw a wonderful painting in the museum.
So rather than using wonderful, wonderful is very good. You can say that there was the painting was graceful, elegant,
Attractive.
marvelous, attractive. Yes, Shaurya. Yes, continue. You try using other words also. Don't get scared. Yeah, come on.
Riya.
Nahi, Shaurya was saying something.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Okay.
elegant. Can I use elegant?
Elegant is correct. Perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, say Shaurya.
There was an elegant painting in the museum.
Okay, wonderful. Yes, who's next?
ma'am, I want to say Purva.
I want to say,
Okay.
Riya.
Ria after Purva.
When
Oh, just a moment. Yes, Purva. Then Ria, you. Okay.
My
Ma'am, after
father's
Riya, can I say?
Okay.
yesterday, my father's looked so handsome and good looking.
Yesterday,
Yesterday, my father's looked handsome and good looking.
either say yesterday my father was looking handsome. Yeah, my father was looking good. Right. Or else you can say that my father looked handsome yesterday. Okay, Purva? This,
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
Riya.
Ria,
Yes, yesterday I went to nursery and I saw so many so many splendid and magnificent flowers, and the fragrance of that flowers are very
var,
stunning and
var.
were very stunning.
Okay. Yes. Now Khushi.
Ma'am, now can I say?
Yeah.
On our annual function, our class teacher has decorated us, and the clothes she had tried for us were looking very attractive and beautiful. When we go to stage, all the, all the students and audience seeing and attract with our dresses. And when our dance performance ended, my ma'am and all the audience that we have done a marvelous job, and all of them like that dance act.
Okay, wonderful.
Ma'am Dharvi,
Ma'am, can I say Shaurya? Ma'am, Shaurya, can
Okay,
I say?
Shaurya after Dharvi. After Dharvi. Yes, Dharvi.
Can I say?
Okay, Hardik.
ma'am,
After Dharvi, Shaurya, then you. Yes, Dharvi.
when we went to maternal family's wedding, we saw that the bride was looking ravishing and appealing.
Very good. Now Hardik.
Ma'am, after Hardik, can I say?
Nahi, Shaurya. After Hardik, Shaurya.
Then I will say,
Yes,
Ma'am, after Shaurya, I will.
Hardik.
My brother's smile is graceful. He looks very handsome and he's magnificent and looks wonderful.
His what? His looks are wonderful. What you said?
He looks wonderful and he's
He looks wonderful
magnificent.
in his magnificent smile, with his magnificent smile. Yeah, come on, try. Do you want to speak more?
Ma'am,
And
can I
he
say?
Can I
he
say?
was just when
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Shaurya,
after
can
Shaurya,
I?
can I say?
Okay.
just when he
After Khushi, I will. Can I say?
Okay, Shaurya.
Okay.
That boy is very fascinating, or that girl is very fascinating.
But basically, fascinating is not a synonym for beautiful. Basically, fascinating means interesting. That boy is very interesting, right? So still I'm giving you 10 points for this because word is good. Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
can
say?
I say Dharvi? Ma'am, can I say
Khushi?
Dharvi?
Okay. After
Can.
Khushi, I will say.
Okay. Khushi.
Um, last year we have went to boating in
Last year we
Chaman
went to boating.
We
We
have
have went to boating. Ne? Last year we went to for boating. We went for boating.
last year we went for boating. While boating, we have seen many fishes and dolphin. The dolphin were looking pretty and so cute and very attractive also. We have seen that crocodile and alligators. We get scared, but we are enjoying very much. And the ma'am Shanti को
Enjoyed.
English में क्या कहते हैं?
We enjoyed very much.
No, ma'am, I am saying that Shanti को English में क्या कहेंगे?
Silence.
Silence, quiet, silence.
The quiet environment of that area was very attractive and peaceful.
Ma'am, can I say Dharvi?
Yes.
No, I said that I will say after Khushi.
Okay, Ria, after Dharvi you can say. Okay, Dharvi.
Okay.
My mother looks stunning in every dress. She has a attractive smile and magnetic eyes.
Wonderful. Next.
Um,
Ria.
My
Ma'am,
friend
after
said
Ria,
that
I will say. Purva.
Okay. Okay.
my friend said that she want to look resplendent, attractive, and mesmeric in her birthday party.
Wonderful. Next, Purva.
My mother's look attractive in that party.
Purva, can you repeat the sentence?
My mother's look attractive
Looked.
in the.
My mother looked.
My mother looked ravishing and appealing in the yesterday party.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I say now?
Or you can also say my mother was looking ravishing and attractive. What happened? What happened? Something fall down somewhere.
I'm in my home.
Okay, okay. So I was okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Khushi. Shaurya, Hardik, come on. You have to score more. Girls are leading. What's happening?
In my home, there are two pet rabbits. They are very cute and pretty. Their smile is very attractive, and the fur of their body is very soft and smooth. We like to play with them, and they are very cute and fascinating.
Okay, very good. Next. Next, who want to speak? Shall I share with you the words? Just have a look. You
Ma'am,
may have forgotten these words.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I want to make a sentence again.
Just have a look on the.
Ma'am, I also want
Ma'am,
to.
ma'am, please can I make?
Ma'am, can I make
Purva.
Purva?
Ma'am, please.
Purva, you tell.
Ma'am, please can I make?
Khushi, just a minute. Purva, you make.
Because I am waiting just 2 minutes.
What you are doing?
Ma'am, after Purva, can I tell?
Uh,
I'm sure.
I'm going to leave the class because it's near 9 and I have to go to sleep.
Khushi, you can wait for some time. Just wait for 5-10 minutes.
Ma'am, can I tell? I'm Shaurya.
Yeah, sure.
A girl was very dazzling.
Purva.
Okay, Purva.
Near my house, there is a garden. It looked magnificent and ravishing with lovely flowers.
The park is full of magnificent flowers. The park is full with magnificent flowers. Yeah, the.
Ma'am, she.
Yes, Khushi.
Uh,
Ma'am, can I share?